I was going to say, we've both been there, so we know.
That's a personal decision. I don't think anybody can tell you if you need a prenup or not.
You know, prenups are more common nowadays.
I didn't do a prenup.
I mean, I'm not loaded enough to have a prenup, so it didn't matter. I know. Yeah. What a romantic. But, you know, it's all about the Benjamins, right?
That is true.
So let's talk about tomorrow. We had a beautiful weekend. Thank you.
So nice. Hope you enjoy the low humidity.
Yeah, gorgeous.
That's what was nice about it.
Great beach weekend.
Great beach weekend.
But,
got some storms coming back.
changes.
We do. So let's hop over here, kind of talk about the timing of these storms. Not everybody's going to see one. They'll be scattered. So I say this all the time. If you took a handful of M&Ms or a handful of coins, you threw them on the ground, you notice some of the ground is got M&Ms, some of the ground is still blank. So that's what scattered storms look like on radar. So we're going to have scattered storms. Not everybody gets one, but a couple of these storms tomorrow, they're going to have some energy to turn strong or severe. Gusty winds are our primary severe weather player. We get past Monday, and we're talking about a warm-up, a big warm-up. Okay, storm threats. I already mentioned winds are a moderate threat. You know, I think other than the severe weather players, I think we're going to see some really heavy rainfall. I don't think we'll see that many thunderstorms going over the same areas over and over again, and they should be quick enough movers. So I kept the flood threat there at low, but still something we're monitoring. If these storms come through right during the heart of rush hour, scattered storms, DC streets that don't drain off the heavy rain very well, we could be looking at some street flooding issues. Okay, here's the Futurecast recapping timing. Pretty nice start to your day tomorrow, but when you wake up, you're going to notice the difference in humidity. This evening, it was fantastic outside. Tomorrow morning, you're going to start to notice, summertime. Yes, this is what we remember, right? Okay, by lunchtime, we're still dry in the metro, but there will be some increasing clouds. It's warm, it's muggy outside. Starting to see some isolated storms popping along I-81. Primary time frame for storms in D.C. will be right around the heart of the evening commute. So this is 3 o'clock, commute starting. We've got some storms there with locally heavy downpours. And we'll head to 5 o'clock, still tracking some thunderstorms. And some models really try to bring in a late night round of storms. This is 10 o'clock. You see the storms over West Virginia? It tries to bring those all the way into D.C. We'll see if that actually ends up playing out tomorrow or not. So we'll start off in the morning pretty quiet. Morning walk, taking the dog on a walk or doing a hike should be just fine. But if your outdoor exercises after work, use caution, because I do think we're going to have some storms around. All right, get ready for DC's next heat wave. This is our temperature trend the next 5 days, 87, and then we're in the 90s for 4 days in a row. Now, what's going to happen this week with this heat is that we're going to have this big heat dome that builds overhead. So I've kind of pulled up a graphic. I want to show you the explainer of what's going to happen. Remember those typical hot, hazy, humid summer days? That's what I'm expecting to happen later this week. With high pressure right overhead, underneath that heat dome, there's a lot of sinking air. So it really limits any kind of upward motion, limits our storm chances. So this week, our storm chances after Monday are very minimal. We will be looking at hot, hazy, humid afternoons, but not a lot of rain to bring some relief from the heat. So good pool week, despite tomorrow's storms. All right, if you are going to the pool tomorrow, anytime after 2 p.m. in the metro, just watch out for some storms around. 87 degrees, 91 hot with a stray storm. Tuesday, hot, humid, hazy. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll probably have some code orange air quality alerts this week. Stray storm on Saturday, and then by the end of the weekend, a few more storms takes our temps back into the 80s. Delia?
Thanks, Melissa. A bipartisan group of lawmakers will introduce legislation this week to establish a national monument to fallen journalists. That's according to the Tribune Publishing Chairman David Dreyer. His company publishes the Capital Gazette in Annapolis, where journalists, 5 of them, were slain when a gunman burst into the newspaper's Annapolis headquarters last year and began shooting. Well, coming up, we're going to take a look at sports, and the Nationals look to climb closer to 500 with a pivotal game versus the Braves. We'll have highlights coming up.
I really want to help people get a super start to their day.
Get up, DC. News, weather, and traffic in the mornings starting at 4:25.
Don't wait. Now is the time to take advantage of exceptional offers on the Cadillac family of SUVs. Get this low mileage lease on this 2019 Cadillac XT5 from around $399 per month.
Welcome to the Universal Circus!
It's absolutely amazing.
I must say,
it was